Dumela gape moithuti wa Setswana. Today's question was asked by @Zimkhulu Mpofu 16. That is the YouTube handle for this particular student of Setswana. The question is, thank you, sir. I need some reading material. What's your recommendation? Great question. I get this question a lot. The role of reading when learning a new language is fundamental. The ability to read a language gives you autonomy to learn by yourself and not rely on native speakers all the time. I noticed this when I had to learn the Zulu language while I was in Johannesburg. I used to read a newspaper called Isolezwe. It used basic language which I could learn quickly. Now, Setswana does not have newspapers readily available. However, after noticing that there is a problem for students of Setswana to access basic language reading material, I put together some stories myself which can be accessed from a link posted below in the description box. The prices are low enough to allow for everyone to get one. The proceeds help this channel to go on. What happens is that most times what you find are storybooks that are geared for Setswana speaking audiences. As a result, the language in some of them is not as basic as to accommodate non-native speakers. So to address that issue, I make sure that my material is fully translated. Also, I have made some reading videos as well. I read fully translated stories in there. So be sure to follow the link below to get the story reading videos. In this way, you will be learning the use of Setswana that may not come from the lessons that I give. I would like it if you would go there to download the PDFs or watch the videos. You will learn a lot more there than I could have ever taught you in these lessons that I give. Happy reading. Thank you for watching.